Dr. Shin has asked me to talk about a list of works here, and I'm to try to give you some questions, some guideline questions to ask. 1984, good, number one. Okay, now obvious questions are, discuss the structure of the work. 1984 falls into three parts, and it's very helpful to understand the work in terms of those three parts. What happens in part one, what happens in part two, what happens in part three. It really is a good one. First work, 1984. First topic. Discuss what happens in each of the three parts of the book. You'll be tracing basically the evolution, what happens primarily to Winston, by discussing this question. Be very careful to focus on what happens at the beginning of the book and what we know about the background before the book begins. Excuse me. That need not mean Winston's childhood. Don't go back that far. What I'm interested in, and you should be interested in, is the immensely interesting question, at what point did the party, the ruling party, select Winston as an object of attention and even of experiment? Because they selected him, that's for sure. Less interesting is when did they select Julia, but much less interesting. When did they select Winston? I'll make a suggestion to you. I think they selected him when he divorced. A divorced man is a threat to the state. A married man in that state is safe because in that state the spouses spy on each other. So the party has nothing to fear. The party is worried about a divorced man. That's my suggestion. Okay. Hi. First work, first topic. First work, 1984. First question. Discuss the structure of 1984. The three parts, that means. Second question. At what point did the party select Winston? That's designed to make you think. I'm not going to provide you any answers, but you should discuss this with each other carefully. That is not an easy question.